Namaste. Today we're going to talk about the Warrior 2 pose, which is Veerbhadrasana. So we start by coming onto the front of the mat with your feet together, stand erect. Now step back your right foot about 4 feet distance between both your feet. Toes are pointing in the front and both the heels are aligned in one straight line. Now from here, raise your arms up in line with the shoulders, palms are facing down, and stretch your arms as if someone's pulling you in both the directions. So your arms are absolutely active. Look towards your right fingertips, that's where your gaze is going to be. Turn your right toe out and bend the right knee. Bend it so much so that the knee is right over the ankle and your thigh is parallel to the floor, creating this 90-degree angle between your knee and your thigh. From here, stay in this position for about 30 seconds and hold, keeping your legs really strong. Make sure that this knee is also straight and not bent. This leg is completely extended. Now, the common mistakes that we find in this pose is if the distance between your feet is less, then what happens is the knee goes way beyond the ankle, creating a lot of pressure on the knee joint. So when you increase this distance, that pressure will go off the knee joint and come onto the thigh. Also, do not lean forward too much. Instead, keep your upper body straight wherever it is in the center of both the legs. And then bend only from the knee. Keep your hands in alignment and stay here. We're going to repeat the same posture on the left side. Turn your right toe in, straighten the legs, turn your left toe out, bend the knee. Do the same thing here. Stay here for 30 seconds. Come back up, straightening the knee, left toe in. Bring the arms down and step forward in the front of your mat. And now we will have our Guruji Hansa Ma give deeper insights into this asana.
Veerbhadrasana or warrior pose beautifully combined both the standing and balancing action of our body. This powerful full body asana improves holistic health of our body. This asana helps to develop Aishwarya Bhava. This is confidence and power of a warrior. As you lift the upper body and open the chest, a sense of self-confidence instills in our mind that helps you to face any problem bravely and with a calm mind. It makes you courageous by conditioning your mind to believe it's a warrior and boosting body's endurance. The act of balancing directly works on creating stillness of the mind, building focus, power, and stability. This asana stimulates our inner ability to overcome ego and ignorance. At a physical level, this asana strengthens back muscles and hamstrings. This helps improving body balance ability as well as building up your stamina. The upward stretch of arm and torso helps in building strength of arms, shoulders and back. Veerbhadrasana also strengthens the biceps and triceps. It engages the deep core muscles, tones the abdomen and outer hips. This excellent asana helps to elevate pain caused by sciatica. Keep practice this asana. You will see huge difference physically as well as mentally. Namaskar.